How to permanently delete an account here on Airpaz. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching how to permanently delete an account here on Airpaz. To permanently delete an account here on Airpaz, all we need to do is open up our Airpaz right here. Once we open up our Airpaz right here, to delete our account right here, all we need to do is, as you can see, there's options on the top right, the three horizontal line bell, and your profile right there. All we need to do is click on your profile right there. So the third one, there you go. After pressing on that right there, all we need to do is go down to you see delete account, then press on delete account. After press on delete account, as you can see right here, we're gonna choose, so we're gonna choose other reason because I can. Okay, this is a joke. Then click on submit. Then account deletion in progress. Your account will also get permanently deleted within 24 hours. So after your confirmation, once your deletion, blah blah blah. So here, within 24 hours, our account will be deleted. Our Airpaz account will be deleted. So, and there's a good thing. So we have still have 48 hours to recover account. If not, it's deleted. But there you go, guys. That's how you do it. So as you can see, click on back to home, and as you can see right now, refresh it a bit. I think it's gonna be, I think we don't have an account anymore. There you go. It's so we need to wait 48 hours. So after that, the 48 hours, need to confirm it in our email, and then after confirmation, we are done. There you go, guys. That's how you delete your account permanently. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have questions, concerns, type it down in the comment below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on how to route, guys. Anyways, guys, there you go. See you on the next one, and bye, guys. Thank you.